You have to have a copper pan.
Copper pan.
Right.
You seen a copper pan, Matthew?
Have I seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, copper pan. And the pan, the copper, it's a covered with, I don't know, how do you call that?
Lard?
No lard. It's just kind of, when you weld thing, you know?
Yes.
What do you call it? White.
Yeah, yeah.
So they cover all the copper.
Right.
So they do that. So the stuff you put it inside there, you cook it, and doesn't get the taste of the copper.
Yes.
So there you put that doesn't go through. First.
Gotcha.
Second, when you put that stuff there,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't burn.
Okay.
Whatever you cook, it don't burn.
Yeah.
Also, you can use a pan,
Mm-hmm.
a clay pan.
Oh,
You ever see the clay pan?
Yeah.
So there's those things they got. How do you say? Anyway, okay. Now, when you get milk, you put them on this pan, on this thing there, and you let them cook, but not cook. Like you gotta give them such a temperature just before start boil, right? And when they come with this thing, and then you put this lieverd in, that we call
The yeast.
yeast, which, like I told you, remember when I told you, when you kill the young animal like lamb
Yeah.
or a calf, they are baby, they still got milk on the stomach,
Yeah.
and that milk is just acid. So what happened? When you used to kill those baby lamb, which they only drink milk. That's it. No other food. Just milk. Inside the stomach, they got this stomach full milk. So when you kill it, you take the stomach out. You make sure because they got the vein, which they got. You tie the vein up so the milk doesn't go out. You tie them up, and you hang this up, and dry up. When you make a milk, you put a little bit of this. You put them in the water, melts a little bit, and you put them in the milk. And then the milk is come and be a jelly. And when they come a jelly, like I said, when they think it's jelly, then you break them all again, and you tie the pot come up, and you get the cheese out of it. You put it in a basket. When you put it in a basket, you want to keep it fresh. Okay, a couple of days, then you're going to slice it and you can eat it fresh. But there's no taste, it's just cheese. Now, if you want to salt them, cure, and cover it up with the salt, you cure it, and depending on how many, a week or 2 weeks, how old you want to keep it. So sometimes they know I'm going to keep this for months, and then you slice it and you eat it. Then you want to dry it up completely, dry up harder, to grind it, to put them on the pasta. It takes a long time. Yeah. You put them on the shelf. You see those shelves for which they put cheese to dry up. And when they're ready, you eat it.